Hello, it's Mechanic Link, and today's tool review is sponsored by our Canadian friends. Visit their website at olsatools.com. Last time I reviewed their super thin wrenches, and I was extremely impressed, and because of it, it became part of my regular arsenal. This time I'm going to be reviewing their standard box wrenches. Maybe it's just part of my OCD, but Olsa has already won me over because it has the elusive 9, 11, 16, and 20. I absolutely hate incomplete sets, and this is the first time that a set came with a 20 that I didn't have to pre-order. These wrenches are much thicker than its thinner cousin parts, so it's going to be for daily use and abuse. Okay, I'm going to try and do a strength test. So first we got a no-name brand, and we are looking at about 50 foot-pounds, 60 foot-pounds. Yeah, right about 60 foot-pounds, and it's really going. 60 foot, no-name brand. All right, here we are cranking Olsa. Here we are. Okay, we're at 70, 80, 100. 60 to 150 foot-pounds. It's stronger. The price is fair. 8 out of 10.